Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick little guess what's in the box video. It's a small little bag from Amazon, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you guys for watching. Should be for the 2004 Runner Limited and the Pioneer Mavic 8200 Next stereo. What is up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. I actually got a couple items here. So I got this item here as well as this large, long, rectangular box that we'll be doing videos on, as well as I got a couple totes and 30 cans of paint. I'm just stocking up on the paint that I used. I ran out of black Rust-Oleum paint, the enamel paint, when I was doing work on the new Limited 4Runner. Ended up scuffing up the frame, and I got about 91% of the frame painted and cleaned and everything, and then I ran out of paint. So I only need about 1 or 2 cans, but I picked up 30 just to have them. But this is just going to be a quick, guess what's in the box video slash bag video. This bag is 12 1/8 of an inch wide by 13 3/8 long, and it's pretty small. There's a single item in here. It's about a 1/2 inch thick or so. The widest point, maybe about 3/4 thick. What do you guys think is in the bag? This should be a harness that I got from Amazon for the Pioneer Mavic 8200 Next navigation system. I picked up a different style harness. This is actually this one should be the plug and play harness, where instead of me having to splice 2 harnesses together and then plugging one side into the stereo and the other side into the 4Runner harness, this one is actually those 2 harnesses already pre-put together. I figured I'd use this harness more or less, not as a final harness, but to check certain things to make sure that everything functions, because the stereo, the Pioneer Mavic 8200 Next that's going in the Limited, I did get used from eBay, but I got it for 500 bucks instead of the 1500 it would have been brand new back in 2016. But it will allow me to plug it directly in, check it, make sure everything functions, and then I can use it to wire the harness that I'm going to end up wiring up. But I could be wrong. I do have another 4 packages showing up from Amazon. I have this one from these 2 right here from eBay. These 2 items are from eBay. But just a quick video. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. What do you guys think is in the bag? Let me know down below. I gave you guys my guesses. But I could be wrong. It could be a couple, 12-volt items. I did pick up a couple 12-volt adapters. It seems a little thin for one of those adapters, so I'm thinking it's the harness. But you guys, let me know what you guys think. I do appreciate your guys' time. Hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. I do also have an Ulsa Tools link at the top of the description below that will get you 10% off your order, ulsatools.com. As well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order, so it does help save me some money when you use it. All links are affiliate links. I do get a tiny little baby commission from them when you guys use them, which goes back into the channel. This was not purchased from channel money at all. That's all I got for you guys. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!